a San Diego vlog, and I have someone really, really special here. Vito! We're here in San Diego at one of my favorite restaurants ever, Rocky's. So good. I still don't know what the burgers are made of. I've heard pound of butter, I've heard mayonnaise. They're really good. So if you've never been to San Diego, you need to go to Rocky's. It's amazing. Are you excited to be here?
Good. Yeah, I'm super excited. More so for you, but this is just
God, look at this thing coming in.
Don't pay attention to that.
It's like,
I think your eyesight's blurry right now.
we're taking breakfast shots. We just had brunch at Breakfast Republic with Christina, and we visited Michelle, and it was really fun. We're gonna have drone wars.
Look at my double chin. Dutch oven cheese. What you doing?
Like it's quesadillas.
Quesadillas?
You know how I am with tortillas.
Yeah, you like to burn them. Girl, you're awesome. You good cook. I think you just stole my. It don't matter. You can have it.
You stole my mimosa today.
No, I just stole some of it.
I just stole some of that. Pizza in the morning, pizza in the evening, pizza at supper time. When pizza's on a bagel, you can have pizza anytime. Hey, it's a brand new day, and today we're gonna go on a hike. Vito's making meth.
Gonna go on a hike. We gonna go on a hike. We gonna go on a hike. You ready?
I'm ready.
If you like pina colada
And getting caught in the rain.
Rare bumblebee out in South California. This is how you looked at me when you saw me sticking a dip in. Yeah. You know what, babe? I'm just waiting for you. The infamous In-N-Out.
Vito sees El Pollo Loco.
Is it a restaurant?
Yeah, it's a restaurant.
So what do they sell other than chicken? I know that.
It's like a
Pollo Loco? The chicken crazy for chicken? So on Rush Hour, he's talking about Jackie Chan was in love with that girl and he
It is officially my last full day in San Diego. We are over in Bird Rock and we're gonna grab some lunch. And we have Charlie with us. Yeah, Charlie! He's crazy. Charlie. Pastrami, turkey and avocado. Michelle got, look at this avocado toast. Wow. It's called Owl. Land owl. Arts and owls. Lark and owl.
Where's ice cream?
Next we went down to Windansea, and you guys, it's crazy because I lived in San Diego for 8 years and I never came to this spot, and I have no idea why, because as you can tell, it's so pretty, and I just couldn't believe the views and the color of the water, and it was just such a cool place to hang out for the day. So if you're in San Diego, or if you live in San Diego and you have not made it down to Windansea, do yourself a favor and get down there. We're here at the La Jolla Sea Coves. Oh, just look at those guys. They're so cute. This is La Jolla Cove, and if you are coming to San Diego, you have to go to La Jolla Cove. I mean, it's just, look at them. Look at these guys. They're so cute. I love La Jolla Cove. I have been here tons of times. I will tell you, it's a little stinky. See all that white stuff? That's all bird poop. So it's a little stinky when you walk up to it, but I don't know. I don't really notice it after a while. When I lived here, I actually did a kayaking tour around La Jolla Cove, and that was so cool. If you guys get a chance to do that, I would definitely do that. But if you don't want to get in the water, then just coming out and being able to see the sea lions and the birds and the ocean and everything, and you can watch the sea lions play in the water, and it's just a really cool thing to do for a day. These birds almost took out the drone. But yeah, definitely go check it out. There's lots of shops and restaurants and things to do, and I definitely would say do not miss La Jolla Cove.
Got the chicken tinga taco.
Vito got this sashimi and shrimp. Mafrail got poke bowl, the bomb fries. And I was freezing, so Vito got me a sweater, and I'm taking it.
Yes. Win. Hi, Dina.
Okay, we're at Ponce's, and we're having margaritas. It's our last night here. Enchiladas suizas.
Hi, YouTube.
Anything else?
Mexican. Whole half. Facing the bar, kind of. I don't have a beer. I want to be like. Sorry, girl. That's the worst commercial ever.
No, they're older.
Will you sponsor us?
Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm a bad judge for that.
Maria got me this amazing necklace. Look it! My Nana always used to say, after a lot of laughing comes crying. And I think that's true today. Got to Tennessee, but Vito didn't. Did they give you a food voucher outside the airport?
I don't think so. I'd have to look at it again.
All right, guys. Tomorrow's another day. Let's see if we can get the Vito. Good night. I have Vito in hand, and I got something for him because I really like it. You like it?
Yeah. Just gotta get her charged up.
Cool. Got some pizza.
We're good. We're live. And
If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye.
I got some bad news.
What? What? What?
Good news is we made it to Sunset Cliffs. Bad news is we might have to poop.